You have to just pee so bad. Really excited. I'm about to get into drag for a fun night. The loves come back into the drag. I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait for tonight. Look, I've really got to pee.
Oh, I'm allergic to London. It's horrible. Oh. God. God. Oh, no, stop. I thought it was all a horrible nightmare. Oh, oh God. Oh. Oh. Good night. Oh, sneezing by the bull ring. Oh. 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 First sneeze in Ireland. Okay, it was my second, but I missed the first one, so I'm just pretending. My first Instagram sneeze is Dublin. A triple A sneeze. Oh, money.
Pale, I probably do.
Oh.
Hi everybody, I just want to say thank you to everybody out there who voted for me to make me the winner of Celebrity Big Brother 2018. Thank you so much. I don't know what it all means, but I can't wait to find out over the next few days.